thrusting movements. This is a classic with male strippers all over the world with the way they dance and also with the Adonis Dance method. Now, a thrust is literally just that forward and back movement right there. There is a slow, melty, groovy way, and there's also that sharper, harder hitting way as well. Two different textures and two completely different effects that you get with this dance move. So with smoother hip thrusts, you'll obviously, it's like body rolling, but you're isolating it just entirely to your hips, yeah? So if we're going to be doing hip thrusts, you'll want to be getting this nice, fluid, smooth movement with your hips here, yeah? So forward and back, nice and fluid and smooth. But on the other side, you've also got doing it hard and sharp and fast. So you can also hit back, you know, like hard, sharp hip thrusts. Back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. A definite start and finish right there. Now with hip thrusting, you can, there's so many different ways you can style this, yeah? So you can do hip thrusts just standing, yeah? You can like really move your knees and legs with it, extending, going up onto your toes as you hit that high point of the movement, and as you bring it back, bringing your weight back onto your heels. So when I like do hip thrusts, I really like to just try and feel that whole movement going through my legs, yeah? As opposed to when I'm doing it isolating, I will try and keep everything very still so all the attention is focused onto the hips. Now the way you style it, you can bring your hands up like this, and you can thrust to the side, to the side, to the side, to the side, like this. And there's so many things you can do with your arms as well when you style hip thrusts. You can grab the imaginary ass like this, like over and thrust, yeah? Or you can grab it like this, or you can even pull in like that, okay? Or, you know, as you place it, you can go thrust, and then you can swap and thrust, or you can go place, place, sharp, sharp, sharp. Isolation, isolation, isolation. So yeah, so many different ways we can thrust. We can thrust with our hands up like this, above our head, right here like this, above our head. We can slide our hands down our body as we thrust. Now I want to show you guys a really cool dance combo that's going to incorporate a lot of those different kinds of thrusting movements, fast and hard and sharp ones, and it's going to give you a better understanding and a better grip of this concept. Let's get into it. So to begin with this combo, what I want you to do is I want you to step out to the right, okay? And then this is going to be like a sinking movement, but you're going to create circles, yeah? You're going to sink down and to the right, and then you're going to go down, up, and continue it again. And one more time. So we're going to do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now it's a little bit quicker than this, so you have to shorten that move, make it a little bit tighter. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? And as you do that, I want you to bring your hands down your body. Starting from your head, brushing over here, and down. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now on 4, we're going to clap, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go punch down with the left in front, right behind, and thrust, yeah? So as we bring our hands up, we bend our knees and we drop ourselves low so we can get that boom, that hard and sharp thrust forward, and then up, and then boom, repeat again, this time punching down with the right arm in front. Okay, from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, once we've done 5, 6, then I'm going to get you to go crisscross. So right in front of left, boom, and back. And that's and 7. Okay, now once we've done that, you're going to land out of this, and we're going to do one of those reverse thrusts that we just talked about. You're going to drop your weight, you're going to grab your crutch, and then push it forward, roll up, and then finish. Done. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that's the little hip thrust combo right there. Let's practice along to the music. Alright, now that you've learnt the hard, sharp and fast hip thrusting style combo, we're going to go through a more groovy, melty, smoother hip thrust combo. So this combo starts off with, once again, a step to the right, okay? I want you to, with your left arm, sweep across like this, yeah? And then the right hand is going to go over your head. So it's going to look like this. Yeah? So we do that as we step out, and it's a step out and a slide. Step out and a slide. So see how my leg is dragging behind, yeah? So as we step out and slide, we're going to go step with the left, step with the right, and then step with the left. And then we're going to pivot on the toes, change position back to the right, okay? So step, 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 change position. Now, as we do that last part, boom, ta, ta, I want you to step, bring the hands here, and as you change position, open up and bring them down. And then you're going to do like a thrust just with the lower part right there, yeah? So we're going to go step, 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 around and then down, okay? Pushing the hips back. Then, once we've done down there, I want you to step out with the right and reach out with the right arm like this, yeah? And as you do that, smooth thrust. Then step with the left arm, smooth thrusting movement right there. So from the top, step, 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 out and down, smooth thrust, smooth thrust. Now to finish off this little combo, I want you to bring your hands up and over your head and do a body roll and then thrust, thrust, yeah? So 2 nice smooth thrusts right there. And you can go thrust forward, really get that forward motion happening there with that move, okay? So over and up, forward, forward. Then I want you to bring your hands down your body, and as you do that, okay, I want you to twist out to the left, and then you're going to go hip roll back to the right, and then a hip roll back to the left. Now these are like thrusting back, okay? So these moves are like a thrust backwards instead of a thrust forwards, yeah? So you want to hit it back, hit it back, hit it back, yeah? So we're going to go 1 to the right, 1 to the left, double, double, okay? But as we do the 1 to the right, hands come to the chest. As we do the 1 to the left, hands come down. Then as we do the double to the right, we go click, click. This hand just stays hidden behind this leg. This hand, click, click. Goes with the hips, okay? So from the top, we have step, 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 out and down. Then step with the right hand, and a nice smooth thrust. Step with the left hand, nice smooth thrust. And then get nice and low. Bring your hands up, over around your head, big body roll, and then thrust, thrust. And then to the right, to the left, click, click. Now, it's all about the legs here with this move. So it's pushing forward and then boom. I'm really bending into it and pushing my butt back. That's so important. It gets the emphasis with this move. Then you want to push it around, repeat, forward, back. Push it out and forward, double, double. Okay? So it's sit, 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 sit. Really think about sitting, but don't forget to get that forward, forward, sit, forward, sit. Yeah, you got to get that forward as well. There's a lot to think about here, I know, but it all takes practice. Everything will come along at the right time. So from the top with the counts, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now let's practice along to the music. Let's go.